Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. So today what we're going to do is we're going to do the unbox of this Kingbolen K7 Smart Scan Tool. So let's get started. So when you open the box up, you've got the case. So let's open the case up. Let's see. So you got the unit itself. Okay, then you got the Bluetooth adapter. You got USB-C cable. You got some charger right here. And then you got a couple of adapter. And then over here you got your activation code. And then you got the manual, the user manual. So, okay, now the unit itself, see, it's a 7-inch screen. You got the power button on top. You got the in and out port right here, which is they have USB-C and the regular USB port. And then in the back you got a 13 megapixel camera, which is you use for taking picture or recording while you troubleshooting. And then there's no stand in the back. So basically this just for like, and this side is a little thicker than this side, so I guess it's useful for this hole like this. So let's do the setup. So when you see this screen, you select your language, you go next, and then you select your Wi-Fi, which is already connected. Then I go next, and then automatically detect where you're at, your time zone, and then you agree with the term, and you go next. Then let me put in my so this one, if you need to create an account, let me create it, give me a second. So bring to your login, and they ask you to scroll down. Okay, and this is your normal screen. Now let me tell you the spec on this. This is 7-inch screen. It's run Android 10, 2 gig of RAM, and then 32 gig of internal storage. So here it is. So you got all the update in here, and then you got the store, which is you can buy more stuff, more software. You got an OBD scan, you got the regular scan, you got this one come with a 31 reset service, ECU offline online coding. Of course, it's bidirectional. It costs about $450, but sometimes you got like a really good coupon, so I think it's somewhere about $330. So you got the repair information, you got the update, you got the file, you got the module, which is they let you add more stuff in here, like if you buy add-on. And then let's go do the scan, but first you have to activate, which is that's where this activate card come in handy. Go activate, and then you put in the serial number, Let me put in the serial number. So after you're done putting in the serial number, you go activate. And it said activate complete. So now you activate it. So now everything is good. I think the color, the theme right here look really nice because they're separated by different colors, so you know exactly what you get. So like I said, it looked pretty good. Everything looked really nice. It looked really solid. And then you got this huge Kingbolen logo on the back and on the side, so it looked really good. This whole right, the design is really nice. This whole really good. You got really good grip. And what I like about this is the Bluetooth, so you can basically you can carry around your car while you troubleshoot. So that's very important. And the software look really nice. So I'll go ahead and plug this into my vehicle, and we're gonna try and do a little scan in there and see how this go. All right, so give me a second. Let me set up in my car, and we will continue in there. But everything else look really good. So I'll be right back. So here we are inside my car. I already turned on the engine, plug in the ODB, the OBD adapter into the OBD port, and then let's do the scan. Let's go ahead and hit the scan, and then you go auto search. So this one they have auto scan. So see, it said it's connected to the Bluetooth. It's auto VIN scan, so you can do auto VIN scan. You have to type it in manually. So this is 2012 Toyota Sienna. Since I'm in America, so that's 16 pin. And now, so this is 2012. So I'll pick 2012, 2013 is other without smart key, and that looked good. So go ahead and hit OK. OK. So we'll just wait a little bit while it's pulling the data. So let's do a health report. Health report. So I love the animation in here. It looked really nice. So it's complete. So let me see if there any trouble code. Basically everything looked clean and nice. Let's go to the ECM. Okay. And you got actuation test, special test. Let me see how many actuation tests they have in here. So they have a lot. Control the inject volume, activate the fuel cut prohibited, activate the vacuum pump. So you got a whole bunch of them right here, and look, as you can see, the scrolling look really clean and really nice. There's no lag in here, so it's really smooth. Special function basically is and then customize setting, so it's really nice. And let's go to read data stream. We want to see how much graph that this thing can take, so let's go select all over here and then go OK. As you can see, so the battery look like it's charging fine. You got over 13 volt, and then you can see it's you scroll it up, show up the data. It's really smooth. So really there's no lag in here. It's really smooth, as you can see. It look really good. Now let's go combine, and let's select how many data stream can you do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one that had the maximum is only 4 graph. That's 1, as you can see. And then let's go to OK, and let's see the graph. The graph look really good. So there's 4 of them. You can see down here is the label, and here the graph. They're separated by each color, so it look really nice. Let's go back. Let's go back, and so we're going back to this page. As you can see, everything look nice and good. Everything look good. Really, it's really smooth, even though it's only have 2 gig of RAM. It's really smooth, as you can see, and scroll up and down. It's really smooth. So this is just a little preview of what it is. And oh yeah, this thing does come with 1 year hardware warranty, and also 3 year of software update. So usually people, if you buy an autel, you got 1 year, and if you buy in the launch, you got 2 year. This one to give you 3 year of update. So that's really good. A year update is usually costs about $100 to $150. So basically you're saving another $150. But anyhow, that's just a little preview, a little unbox of this Kingbolen K7. It's a really good unit. It look really nice, and I like how it's designed. It look really solid, and so if you're thinking about buying one of these, and if you like what you're seeing right now, I have the link in my on my video description, so you can go to the Amazon link to purchase one yourself. Alright, so that's it for this video, and I hope you find it a little helpful in case if you decide you want to, if you're looking for a Scantool. So this one of the Scantool is really great if you are a DIYer or a tech. So that's it, and I will see you guys on the next video. Alright, bye.